Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to separate an STL file using Blender. First, you want to go into your Launchpad and find Blender. If it's not installed, you may have to go to Self-Service first and install it. Go ahead and open Blender. Go ahead and click just over on the side here so this pop-up will go away. And I just like to have it in full screen. It's not necessary, but it makes things easier. What you're first going to want to do is zoom out a little bit, just pinching on your trackpad like you would on any other tab. You're going to hold Control, not Command, but Control, and just drag a circle around all this stuff in the middle. That way all of it turns orange. Then you're going to go over to the side, on the left side over here, click Delete, and then click again just to confirm. That way you have a nice clean board to work with. So you're going to go up here to File, down to Import, and then there's going to be a bunch of different file types. You're going to find .stl. Go ahead and click that. Navigate through all your folders and find your STL file. Go up here to the top right and click Import STL. Now you're probably going to have to zoom out a little bit. It'll probably come in fairly large. So now that you have your STL, that you want to make these two separate files. What you're going to want to do is go down here to the bottom left. You'll see this thing that says Object Mode. Go ahead and click that. There's going to be a bunch of options. Go ahead and click Edit Mode. These should turn nice and orange. And then what you're going to want to do is press Z on your keyboard. That should make these have all these complicated lines. You don't got to worry about any of that. Just press Z. And then you're going to press A to deselect everything. So now that you have your two STL files in this form, you're going to hold down Control again. Again, make sure you're holding Control, not Command. And just draw a line around the STL file you want. Make sure you don't have any of your line go around the other file. So now that this is highlighted, you're going to press P on your keyboard. That'll bring up this little menu. You're going to want to click Selection. And now if you press Z again, and then you go down here, change it to Object Mode, and press A. Now you should be able to select these as two different files. So now the way you export them, select one of them, selecting by clicking with two fingers, not just one. You're going to go up here to File. You're going to go down to Export, and all the way down to STL. And then you can go into your folder where you want it to be exported. Give it a name. Go over to Export STL. Click that. And now it's exported. You can do the same with the other one. Up to File, down to Export, STL. Give it a name, and Export STL. And that's all you need to do.